Welcome back to my channel, doctors and healthcare entrepreneurs. Today, I would like to share with you an interesting story which happened with my known doctors. So after watching this video, definitely you will cultivate a very informative message from this video. So watch fully and get lots of insights and input about your hospital growth. So today I want to share a story about a doctor I know who invested over 10 crore rupees in his hospital. You know one thing, he is a very renowned and well-known doctor in the city, and as well as he's a great administrator, and he has been running very big hospital in Chennai, and also he knows lots of contacts, especially in the healthcare industry, and then he has been working with a very big and well-known hospital in India. However, the sad story that when he started his hospital, he forgot completely set aside money for branding and promotion, especially in marketing. So the consequences of neglecting marketing, the results of this oversight. I just oversight his business. Then I found that he struggled to reach very potential patients and to grow his practice to the next level. So despite having a fantastic infrastructure and following all NABH quality standards, his hospital faced lots of challenges, especially bringing patients and retain the patients. And very sad story that he had invested heavily in advanced equipment and facilities, but without patients, all these investments were in vain. So after discussing with him, this incident brings me to important lesson that no matter how good your hospital infrastructure and services and doctor, it won't matter if people do not know about your hospital and your service. So this incident triggered me to explain why allocating a budget for marketing is crucial for your healthcare journey. And I hope this video information will help other doctors who are running a hospital or want to start one. Avoid two similar pitfalls. Here are 5 essential keys to investing in marketing for a successful hospital business. So I'll share with you one by one. So please watch very carefully, and in case if you have any queries, you can ask me in the comment box. Okay, the first point, why marketing is so important for your hospital, and then why you should invest money in marketing. Very simple and crisp reason is for doing marketing analysis and doing marketing research. So why you should do that? The first, you have to understand your target audience. See, if you know your target audience and the demographic and the needs and the requirement, the preferences, and what they really want from your service and why they want to visit your hospital. And number 2, competitor analysis, that study your competitors to identify the strength and weakness. If you find the weakness, then you can turn the weakness into your strength to attract more patients and provide your service effectively in the market. So the patients will like and love to visit your hospital. And number 2, it is also very important that building branding. So many people think, especially doctors and healthcare entrepreneurs, think that branding and marketing is identical. No, it is a different entity. So you have to do marketing differently and you have to do branding differently. So if you invest your money into branding, so what will happen? You can create a unique value to your patients. So people will visit your hospital frequently. So why branding is so important? Create a strong brand identity. So develop a compelling logo and a memorable tagline, and clearly define your mission and vision and value, and explain strongly why you started your hospital, and it will help you to resonate your brand and your target audience. And number 2, so after creating the brand, you have to keep your consistent, because after creating your brand identity, communicate properly and consistently with your patients. It's a very important. This will increase your hospital's value, and it will help you to reach your service as many as people in your locality. And number 3, you must invest your money in digital marketing, because you know very well we are living in the AI driven world. If you want to reach your profile and if you want to reach your hospital as quickly as possible, then there is no excuse to invest money in your marketing, especially the digital marketing. See, the digital marketing means you have to create a website. It is completely user friendly and optimized for search engine optimization, and ensure that your patients can easily find your online. Make make sure your website has optimized page and offers online appointment and booking, and you have to educate each and every point what you are providing to your patients. And one more thing, the social media presence. See, again, you know very well, so nowadays doctors know very well that social media is inevitable for reaching more people. So the social media presence is so important. So engaging with your community on platforms like Facebook and Instagram and LinkedIn, and running social media campaign and ads by providing health tips and update your followers about your service, success stories, testimonials, for building brand and building the strong relationship with your patients with online presence. And number 4, offline marketing. See, as running a physical business, so you have to invest money in offline marketing too. Some doctors do the mistake that either they rely completely upon online presence or completely upon the offline marketing. So my recommendation would be, so please invest money for both. For that, you need to do some research and analysis. How much money I can invest upon X? How much money should I invest upon Y? Which means the digital and the offline marketing. The traditional marketing means, you know very well, right? So it can be advertising on radio and newspaper and then billboard. Then you can distribute pamphlet, and then you can do many activities. So you can reach your audience very quickly who is living within 5 to 10-kilometer radius. And also is a very important point that the community engagement. See, organizing a free health camp and workshop and seminars, some other activities, so you can build your awareness within the community. See, these events can be free or paid. No matter, it helps to establish a strong presence and connections within your local area. And the reason number 5, education in terms of marketing. See, nowadays many doctors do this mistake again. They do not educate either the patients nor the staff. So as per the study, educate your patients and staff is very crucial. So if you educate your patients regularly and frequently about your service and health tips, and similarly you have to train your staff what services are you providing, and commit to get the testimonials and feedback from patients after getting the service. So for that, you have to encourage your staff by providing incentives and collecting feedback and testimonials, and you have to update online for reaching to more people. Also, you can prefer some referral programs. So implementing a small referral programs to encourage patients to refer others to your hospital. This can significantly increase your reach and patient base. So again, I'm telling very strongly, see, while investing in state-of-the-art infrastructure and buying very costly equipment is essential for your hospital, but it is equally important to allocate a budget for your marketing and branding for your hospital. See, effective marketing strategies can significantly enhance your hospital visibility, attract more patients, ultimately lead to a successful business. Remember, a well-marketed hospital is a thriving hospital. Otherwise, people will forget very quickly. So thank you for your time, and I hope you found this insight helpful for your hospital business and growth. If you like this content, hit the thumbs up button and follow me for more hospital growth strategies. And if you like it, again, share this video with your doctor friends and peers. And finally, stay tuned for more exciting topics. See you soon with another fantastic discussion.